This is what I think after using this GD89 drone after 8 months. Today we'll talk about size and weight, performance, and price. First, size and weight. The good thing about this GT89 drone is weighing under 249 grams. It's much lighter than 249 grams. If we compare this GT89 drone to a Mavic Mini 2, this is the size of the Mavic Mini 2. Yes. Because this drone is just a copy from the Mavic Mini 2. This drone also struggles from strong wind. Because of its size, it struggles like the Mavic Mini 2, which lead us to performance. The controller of this GT89 drone also looks like the controller from the Mavic. This controller features headless mode, trims, and stop button. You can get the app from the instruction manual by scanning the QR code and choose iOS or Android. The app is kinda slow, but it gets the job done. Next, the price. The price of this GT89 drone is very affordable for beginners, and it do not have GPS or image stabilization, but this GT89 drone price range is 1,500 pesos for Philippine pesos, and for US dollars, $31. Post your question about this GT89 drone and I will answer it, and thanks for watching.